Everyone with an internet connection should be able to educate themselves about computer programming, computer science, and data visualization. And I'm working on a tool that will enable just that, called VizHub. VizHub is a tool that lets you develop data visualizations in your web browser by writing code. I've used VizHub for the past 2 years to teach my online graduate course in data visualization at Worcester Polytechnic Institute. Here's an example that shows migrant deaths over time with this data histogram on the bottom. You can open the editor and have a look at the various files. For example, this file that renders the map and optimizes its performance with React's UseMemo. I record live coding videos as the lectures for my course, in which I introduce all the topics that lead up to this. And then for the assignments, the students fork my visualizations as starting points and then modify them to show other data or to incorporate different techniques. What's working at the moment, though, is really just the tip of the iceberg. It addresses the use cases of students and teachers, but I'd like to go further in both directions. On the one hand, I'd like VizHub to become a tool that professionals would want to use to develop data visualizations in teams for clients. On the other hand, I would like VizHub to be usable by people who are disadvantaged or living in developing countries that just have a smartphone and an internet connection and free time and want to educate themselves about coding and data visualization. To that end, I'm going to launch a massive public data visualization and coding education initiative in 2020. I'm going to make a series of videos, releasing one video every day for at least 10 weeks. These videos are going to cover data visualization concepts and also how to implement all of them using React and D3. Within this initiative, there will be a sort of sub-initiative about visualizing all the data that we can get our hands on. There will be exercises in this course in which the students are tasked to visualize various different data sets with the techniques that we learn. The goal is that this will result in an explosion of data visualizations about various topics of interest, including climate change, space exploration, exploitation of people, human suffering in all its forms all around the world. These are just some of the topics that I would like to explore more deeply with data visualization. I'm launching this Kickstarter because I'm beginning to realize this is too much for me to do all alone, and I need some support. If these goals sound worthy to you, consider backing the project. Thank you.